Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and then thank you very much for Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Thank you very much for Lembaga Pengabdian Masyarakat Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, and thank you very much for our mitra Teaching Hospital PKU Muhammadiyah Gambing Sleman Yogyakarta. Before I present my community service grant, let me introduce myself. My name Muhafandi. I am a lecturer in nursing program OMY, and I conduct my community service grant in Teaching Hospital PKU Muhammadiyah Gambing Sleman Yogyakarta. I would like to present my title is increasing the competency of the preceptor PSIK FKIK UMY Teaching Hospital in mastering the making of objective structure clinical examination or OSCE competency test question through standardization of OSCE question. We go to the first slide. As you know that OSCE is part of the assessment system with the aim of assessing student clinical competence and skill in objective and structured manner to assess the component of clinical competence. Examination with the OSCE method have advantages in assessing clinical performance and professional behavior. So this is common in some profession, clinical profession, use the OSCE as the method to assess clinical performance and professional behavior. Also, why this is very important that Lambetekes, this is the institution as accreditation. This is have a rule regulation that if institution they want to get the accreditation unggul or superior, they must have result of OSCE test above 80%. So this is very important for us. Also, in our item accreditation, OSCE is part of the accreditation assessment item. And during in clinical education, our student, they guide to have the preceptor. Preceptor is person who prepare by educating nurse student to become a professional nurse. So they every day guiding our student. But in after the student they finish education in clinical and community, they must have examination, national licensee examination. The first is CPT and the second is OSCE. So we must prepare two OSCE examination. The first is most common problem is preparing OSCE question to OSCE exam test. Where this is a common problem, because to prepare the question, OSCE question, we must have this scenario, real clinical performance. So our preceptor, this is have every day they visiting the patient and they conduct the nursing care. So this is very important, and to uh, preparing the OSCE question for OSCE exam test. So this is why we choose upgrading the preceptor to preparing OSCE question. Okay, and then to conduct our community service in the hospital, we conduct in teaching hospital PKU Muhammadiyah Gamping. We have a pre-post test design before the participant they get the training of item development and item review OSCE. We give the pre-test regarding review of OSCE, knowledge of the OSCE, and then after pre-test, we give some material. We give the training of item development and item review OSCE, and then how to make the good question or OSCE standard, and then how to review the item OSCE standard. After we give material of item development and item review, we are assisting the preceptor to making and reviewing OSCE question. We prepare 6 item OSCE standard. The first is medical surgical nursing. We have 3 template item, and then maternity nursing we have 1, and pediatric nursing, emergency and critical care nursing we have 1. We give the format to all of the participants. We divide in 6 groups, because we prepare in 6 item OSCE standard. All participants, we have 50 participants, and after they making the OSCE question, and then we give format to review OSCE question. Every group they must review the item standard, OSCE standard, and then after that every group they must present the review OSCE question, and then we give feedback and discuss with other group. After that, we collecting all of the item OSCE and review OSCE. After we have some item, we give the evaluation. After evaluation, we have the post test. This is all of the conducting the item dev and item review in the hospital, teaching hospital PKU Muhammadiyah Gamping. The result is we have pre and post test design. We have some score we divide 2, and lacking of the knowledge and good knowledge, and then also we have analyze before training and after training. This is very important. The result is p-value 0.0. So this is have a relationship correlation before training and after training. Okay, we go to the next slide. you can see in our slide that this is some picture. We give some material to participant, all of the perceptor. Also, we guiding as facilitator to making the item OSJE standard and also reviewing the item OSJE standard. And then after we, as facilitator, every group they present the item reviewing. And then the result of item review and item dev OSJE question submitted to Committee Nursing Education in PKU Muhammadiyah Hospital Gamping. Also, our study program professionals in PSIK FKIK UMY. Okay, this is that's all my presentation. UMY ada masyarakat berdaya. UMY ada Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.